Aruba Rescue Foundation has shared a statement that was written by the Boston couple who adopted the dog. Take a look. Coco is the name of Lisa O'Connell's dog, in which she adopted from Aruba. Lisa encountered Coco twice on the island before deciding to move forward and taking her in. In a release statement, she describes the state Coco was in when she first met her. She was loaded with blood-engorged ticks, which I took many of them off of her. With a very heavy heart, I was forced to leave her on the beach. I found her again on Tuesday laying in the sand at the resort. Once again, she had blood-engorged ticks all over her, even in her ears. Coco appeared to be in distress and was hungry, thirsty, and had several large scars on her tiny body. According to the American Tourist, she followed all the proper procedures in bringing Coco back home with her. After verifying with a vet that she was healthy enough to travel, their journey with their new pet began. Coco is not the O'Connells' first pet that they've rescued off the Caribbean. I made arrangements with an animal welfare rescue, ARV, whom coordinated a flight for Coco to go on along with a flyer who would be responsible for her. We also checked Aruba Lost and Found to make sure she was not a lost pet. Nothing was found, so after several days, Coco was brought from the vet to the airport and began her journey to her new home in the U.S. Coco has settled in so nicely with me and my family and her doggy sister Macy, whom I rescued from the Grand Bahama Humane Society back in September of 2012. The O'Connells did a good deed by adopting what they thought was a stray off the island, but unfortunately this decision has dragged them into an ugly situation. I contacted this woman through email to let her know Coco was safe and would be loved and taken care of for the rest of her life. The woman immediately said she wanted her dog back and has infiltrated my life since then. She sent the police to my house. She sent out invites to people on my friends list on Facebook to like a page dedicated to the dog and with disparaging comments about me. The O'Connells insist they followed proper steps. They have asked for donations on GoFundMe.com/Lisa Coco to pay off the legal bills that are piling up over the dog.